Cleaning your wheels at home is actually quite easy, especially if your wheels are coated. Now, if your wheels are not coated, that's another video for another time, but my wheels are coated. This is probably 3 weeks worth of dirt. So you can see it's not a lot of buildup. Dirt builds up a little bit less thickness with a coating than no coating. So cleaning your wheels at home, no garden hose, no bucket of soap. All we have is O&R, Optimum No Rinse. We have it in this sprayer. This is 2 ounces per gallon of O&R in here, and then I have a bucket of ½ ounce per gallon. So what we do without a garden hose, especially if you're in your garage or outside in the cold or in the heat or whatever, try to get in the shade if it's summertime. Wintertime, if it's in your garage, you may be cold, but we pre-rinse it with our O&R, and we take our little wheel sponge that I have here. This is a Chanel, and we're just gonna wipe the dirt. We're not trying to push it around, but you want to get in, go to the corners basically, because that's where the dirt is hardest to get. The corners, the flat spots, there's a lot in there too. You can see it's starting to pick up some dirt, but the O&R is protecting the dirt on the wheels from scratching the wheel, and the coating is also reducing the chance of scratches too. Is it possible to get scratches on your wheels when you're cleaning them? Yes, of course. There might be pieces of metal from your brakes, other contaminants, just dirt in general. You can wring it back in the bucket, wring it back out, go back to the wheels. You can even flip sides if you want. But we're not trying to push or scrub. We're just trying to kind of think of wiping the wheel. If you want to go back over it, kind of hit it again. Of course, pre-rinsing with a hose or a pressure washer will knock more dirt off than just putting the O&R on it. But the O&R begins to break down the dirt, emulsify, encapsulate the dirt, protecting the wheel from being scratched in any kind of way. Lugs, you can kind of jam this in and just kind of twist very gently. We're not trying to dig, and we don't need to dig and scrub. We're not like we're staining scrubbing a stain. Just trying to wipe off the dirt. So then after that, grab a clean, kind of a fluffy towel. I think this is 950 GSM, so it's pretty fluffy. And then we kind of wipe off all the O&R. This is super easy to do. If your wheels aren't coated, just like your paint, you can still do this. It's going to be a little bit more difficult. You won't have the scratch resistance of the coating. You'll have more dirt build up. It'll be stuck on a little bit more. Now, if your wheels are a lot dirtier, if it's been 3, 4, 5, 6 months, I don't recommend going that long. But you may need to maybe go to the self-serve and use their pressure washer and just pre-rinse them, clean the wheels right there, or drive the vehicle home and do it there. But I mean, these are black wheels, so they're going to show every bit of dirt, and they actually look quite fantastic. I mean, that's so simple. If I didn't have my own wash bay, this is exactly how I'd clean my car. I'd probably do the paint first, I'd do the wheels last, so you don't get nasty excess dirt in your wheel bucket. Try to give you a little bit of a close-up. Looks much better. Let me show you a dirty wheel. So pretty big difference. And for being dirty, it doesn't actually look that bad. But it doesn't look as good as this one. Well, thanks for watching. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to clean your wheels at home with no hose and no soap. comment if you like. If you have questions, I like answering questions. Like this video, subscribe for more content. I will see you next time.